Oh my God.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
It's all right.
Yes.
We're just going to practice a few times and see how it feels.
We're here on the blue carpet here at Disney Dreamers Academy to tell you all about Disney's up-and-coming live-action film, The Little Mermaid.
I love Ariel because she is just empowering. Are you excited to go see the movie?
Of course, and Halle Bailey.
Hi!
I'm just talking about it.
Hi!
Hi.
I'm Halle. Hi. How are you?
Oh my God. Did you hear me?
Great. I heard you guys. You sound amazing.
Thank you.
So repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
We'll be on the red carpet
We'll be
on the red carpet
together
together
in Hollywood,
in Hollywood,
attending the world premiere
attending the world premiere
of Disney's live-action Little Mermaid.
of Disney's live-action Little Mermaid.
It's true. You're coming as my guest.
Oh my God.
It's gonna be so fun. Yeah. Ready? Oh, it was so amazing and so much fun for me to be able to surprise Madison and Dylan with saying that we're going to Little Mermaid premiere together. I cannot wait to bring them, and it's just going to be a great day. I think it's going to be so fun for them to go to the premiere. I mean, world premieres in general are such a fun experience. The carpet, the people that you see, and I'm nervous, I'm excited, I have all the feels, so I know that they do too. Here at Walt Disney World, it's been an absolutely amazing experience at the Disney Dreamers Academy. I always leave here feeling so inspired myself and ready to go back and tackle more of my goals and dreams. These students are so talented, so passionate, so brave.
It was like, I forgot how to breathe for a second because I don't know, a lot of people don't know it, but yesterday I was trying so hard to get a selfie with her. I tried everything and I kept falling short. So to be able to just see her and hug her, like, yeah, it was amazing. It's been amazing. I've never been to Disney World before, so the experience that they've been giving me is beyond real. So I appreciate them for that.
It was just surreal. Like, she is amazing, and just like being able to see her in person and meet her and like go to this premiere, it's just been an amazing experience, and it was just, it captured me off guard, and it was just amazing. I am so excited. I'm gonna call my mom like as soon as this is over and just like share with my friends and my family and like just tell them like how amazing of an experience this is gonna be. Yeah. The Disney Dreamers Academy has been amazing. It's just been like a chance for me to capture my dreams and like go for my ambitions and being able to like do what I want to do with my life. I want to be either a novelist or like a playwright or a screenwriter. So just like being able to like meet an actress and like be near that field, it's just been amazing.